In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 5 tips for getting more done in less time. Everyone has the same 24 hours in a day to get things done. So why is it that there are people in our lives who seem to get more accomplished than we do? It might be because they know that it isn't the time you have that counts, but rather how you are using that time. Here are 5 tips for getting more done in less time. Tip number 1. Do a weekly brain dump. Performing a brain dump will allow you to get everything out of your mind and down on paper so you can finally let it go. To do a brain dump, take a piece of paper and a pen and write down everything that you need to get done. Once you've gotten everything, no matter how big or small, down on paper, let it go. Tip number 2. Prioritize. Everyone can fall prey to distraction. With all the things that are screaming for our attention, it is relatively easy to get sidetracked. You need to reel in your focus and put it back where it belongs. Take some time to look at your list from tip number 1 and highlight the tasks that need to get done now with another color. Highlight items that need to be completed soon, and with a third color, highlight tasks that need to be completed eventually. Tip number 3. Make a daily list. The key to creating a successful list and increasing your productivity is to keep it doable. You need to create a list that's realistic, and it will fit into your time constraints of your day. Take a look at your list from the previous tip and pick your top 3 most important items that need to be done now. Then do this with the other 2 categories. Tip number 4. Focus on completing your list. Now that you've decided on your top 9 items, you need to make this list your priority and focus on it every day. Start with the most important things to ensure that they get completed. Always keeping your focus on your list is the key to increasing your productivity. Tip number 5. Eliminate distractions. Email, phone calls, and social media are all distractions that can keep you from accomplishing your to-do list. To get more done in less time, you have to turn off all distractions. Accomplishing more in less time doesn't have to be difficult. Incorporate these 5 tips into your daily routine, and you'll start to become more productive.